Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jose and this is my third video. So I decided to do a different setup because, you know, yeah, because of that. So I'm super excited because today's video I am decorating my living room 3 different ways using the Studio McGee pieces that I showed you in my last video. So if you haven't seen it. Okay. Studio McGee officially launched their collection on January 17th. They had so many great pieces. If you haven't checked it out, go to target.com and see all the new furniture pieces, home decor pieces, everything. I feel like there's a mix of different styles that can work for you. Target.com. Today's video, I'm only going to be using the pieces that I showed you guys in my last video, and I'm super excited because I did 3 different looks. I'm going to pretty much like bring you along with me to decorate. So for each look, I'm going to show you how I decorated, and it's going to be kind of like time-lapsey, really speedy, fast, and kind of like manic because that's how I felt when I was doing it all. So you will see in real time what my decorating decision making is at that moment. For the basics, we are starting with this 9x12 rug that is used as kind of like the first layer. I kind of use this as a blank canvas and then I can layer rugs on top of it. It's a cotton and I believe wool blend rug. It's from Hearth and Hand, but it's 9x12. It's seen its better days, but it's really good to layer pieces on it. So this is what I'm going to use for all 3 styles. I also have my TV stand and TV, and then my couch along with my canvas artwork that I made. So these will be the 3 staples that I use for each look. So you'll see that along with this lamp. Alrighty, so here we go. So for the first look, I wanted to pay homage to the traditional Studio McGee kind of amber interiors look. So we'll call that room the tribute room. That's a cute name. Not like the Hunger Games, because we don't do that here.
Oi! No fighting. No fighting. No fighting. No fighting!
No, it's a tribute. It's an homage. I'm super excited to show you, so let's go now.
Tribute.
So for this look, I definitely wanted to do the more pattern and neutral pillow story since that is the quintessential Studio McGee amber interior look. I also went with the 2 leather chairs and the bench with the 2 Catalina mudcloth ottomans. I think they really pair well together with the Persian rug and it ties it all in. And I love the centerpiece with a lot of florals because that is totally another Studio McGee kind of staple. I also went with a piece of artwork with Eddie Zedwick, who was Andy Warhol's muse back in the 60s. I really love this print. And the gold mirror really just brings together the entire room. So yeah, that's what I did. For the second room, I wanted to do something a little more airy and organic, just light and feels super like springy. So we'll call it AIRY on a Grande. Little house on the AIRY Grande. Love that. So for this look, I wanted to go with that light and airy feel. So to achieve that light and airy feel, I switched out the chairs to the ladder back upholstered chairs, which are light cream in wood. And I used the two ottomans and I put them together to make a coffee table and put a woven basket on the top with a floral arrangement. I also used the bench, but I took off the cushion and I put these two huge Crate and Barrel Leanne Ford pillows that are super soft and they velcroed right to the tops. I also switched out the mirrors. I used a circular wood mirror, which is also by Studio McGee, to kind of change up the shapes of the room, and I used a photo that is more coastal and beach vibey on the shelf. There she is. For the last look, we're gonna call her Mask for Mascara because it's a little bit of masculine. I mean, as masculine as I know how to do masculine. Oops.
Oh, you got it. Okay, good.
The rooms, so like, why are we calling them feminine and masculine? It's just I used brown leather and dark colors, so if that means it's masculine, then I'm masculine on some days. Okay, listen, I used brown leather and darker colors, so if that's your gig, that's the third room. For this room to really bring out that kind of more cozy, minimal vibe, I took out the mirror and replaced it with this fantastic photo of Grace Coddington, who's the former editor of Vogue. I love her red hair. I used the two leather chairs with darker color pillows. I replaced the bench and I put this ladder from Magnolia and I just tossed a throw on it. And I used the centerpiece is a Crate and Barrel Leanne Ford vase with some greenery, some simple greenery. I used the two ottomans with this plaid rug to really tie the look together. For the couch, I used mostly just white pillows with two really statement piece pillows from Leanne Ford as well. That is my Mask for Mascara look. So those are the three looks. Please leave a comment down below if you like. Please leave a comment down below and tell me which room you liked the most. If you hated all of them, well, leave that comment too, and then I'll go cry and contemplate ever making another video. Yeah. People can be really mean on the internet. I wish we could get along like we used to in middle school. I wish we could take it on rainbows and smiles. Shouldn't even go here. Mean Girls reference. So, yeah, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and you can also find me on Instagram at Jose Amadeus NYC, one word. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Just kidding, I'm back. Bye.